Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this really easy wearable graphic eyeliner which is very trendy at the moment. So if you want to know how I achieved this trendy graphic liner look on myself, which is also super wearable and perfect for the monsoon and summer, then please do continue watching. So as you can see, my base makeup is already done, and also I've prepped my eyelids as well as my eyebrows are all done already. Now I'm gonna put on a little bit of a makeup tape at the corners of my eyes to create this graphic eyeliner because I want a lot of precision for this look. So I'm using this as a stencil. To create this look, I'll be using the Lakmé Absolute Explore eye pencils in beautiful shades. These eye pencils comes in 10 different shades, 8 metallics and 2 mattes, and they retail at 650 rupees each. Now first I'm going to take the shade called Vibrant Azure, which is a beautiful teal green shade, and this is what is going to be the wing of my eye. So I'm going to create this outer corner wing using this kohl pencil. As you can see, it's a very smooth and creamy formula, so it just glides very beautifully on the eyelids and has a lot of pigmentation, almost like a liquid eyeliner. It is that great in pigmentation and so easy to use to create your liner looks. Once that is applied, I'm going to take a pencil brush to smoke out this kajal pencil, and because it's so creamy and nice, it smudges very nicely and with ease on the eyelids. You don't have to pull or tug with the eye pencils. Next, I took the shade called Daring Blue, which is a beautiful popping shimmery blue. I love these kind of popping blue eyeliners. So I'm going to put this blue color right on the inner half of my upper lash line. And again, it was very smooth on the upper lash line. It glided like butter. I'm also using the same blue pencil to create this sort of like a cut crease on the crease, but it's a semi-cut crease. It just stops right at the 1/3 of my eyelid, and again I'm gonna smoke it out using a pencil brush. Now I'm gonna take the shade Mysterious Black, which is a beautiful jet black kohl pencil, and I'm gonna use that to line my waterlines, both the top and the bottom, and also create a tiny little wing at the outer corner. And this is going to add a little bit of depth to the winged eyeliner, and again using a thin smudging brush to smoke it out. I'm also using the same kohl pencil to create this inner corner wing, just like a foxy eye. Next, I took the shade Invincible Purple, which is a stunning smoky purple color, and I'm going to apply this eyeliner to the 1/2 of my lower lash line. These liners are crease free and they dry super fast in just 15 seconds, and they are also suitable and comfortable to use with your contact lenses. And for the outer corners, again I'm using the green shade. I decided to use the black on the inner corner cut crease that I created to add a little bit more depth to that portion there, and I'm going to use my angled brush to sort of smoke it out. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm using my Lakmé Iconic Curling Mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes and adding several coats of this mascara because I'm not going to apply any falsies, because I definitely want to showcase this beautiful trendy graphic liner on my eyes. So falsies will hide them up, so I skipped on falsies. And here is my final finished trendy graphic eyeliner, perfect for the monsoon season. I absolutely loved these eyeliner pencils from Lakmé. These are the Explore Eye pencils, and they also last pretty long. Once they are set and they're not gonna budge anywhere. So this is the final finished trendy eyeliner look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.